Imagine going back and buying just $100 worth of Bitcoin years ago. Today, that investment could be worth thousands of dollars. But here's the surprising part. Millions of Americans still don't own any Bitcoin. Not because it's too expensive, not because it's too difficult, but because they're afraid of making a costly mistake. They're worried about scams, losing money, or choosing the wrong platform. If that's you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin safely in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know how to buy Bitcoin, protect your investment, and avoid the mistakes that catch most beginners. Let's get started. Why people are buying Bitcoin. Before we buy Bitcoin, let's answer one important question. Why are so many people interested in it? Some investors see Bitcoin as digital gold. Others believe it can protect wealth from inflation. And some simply view it as a long-term investment opportunity. Whatever your reason, Bitcoin has become one of the most recognized financial assets in the world. That's why millions of people are learning about it. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a stock trading app, but for digital assets. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, Binance.us. When choosing an exchange, look for strong security, good reputation, easy-to-use platform, low fees. Never trust random websites promising guaranteed profits. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Step 2. Create and secure your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, create an account using your email address and a strong password. You'll also need to verify your identity using a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Next, enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security and helps protect your account from hackers. Many beginners skip this step. Don't make that mistake. Step 3. Deposit funds and buy Bitcoin. After your account is verified, you can add funds. Most exchanges support ACH Bank, transfers, debit cards, wire transfers. Now for the good news. You do not need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy as little as $10, $25, $50, or any amount you're comfortable investing. Simply search for Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and place your order. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. Avoid this common beginner mistake. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is investing money they'll need soon. Bitcoin can be volatile. Prices can rise quickly, but they can also fall quickly. That's why many experienced investors only invest money they can afford to leave untouched for the long term. Never invest your rent money, emergency fund, or money you can't afford to lose. How to store Bitcoin safely. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, you'll need to decide where to keep it. Many beginners leave their Bitcoin on the exchange. For long-term storage, some investors prefer private wallets. There are two main types: hot wallets, apps connected to the internet; cold wallets, offline devices that provide stronger security. If you plan to hold Bitcoin for years, a cold wallet is often considered the safest option. Bitcoin scams to avoid. As Bitcoin grows in popularity, scams continue to increase. Watch out for guaranteed profits, fake giveaways, fake customer support accounts, messages asking for your recovery phrase. Remember, no legitimate company will ever ask for your recovery phrase. If someone asks for it, it's a scam. Today, you learned how to choose a trusted exchange, secure your account, buy Bitcoin safely, store Bitcoin properly, avoid common scams. Buying Bitcoin is actually the easy part. The real key is staying informed and investing responsibly. In the next video, we'll answer a question every beginner asks. Can Bitcoin actually make you rich? We'll look at real examples, realistic expectations, and what history can teach us about Bitcoin's future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Ledger and comment below. Bitcoin Beginner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.